For those who don't know, my name is Shenseea. How in I Pambosi. Me never born in a place with. Okay. So tonight has been one of the most exciting nights because I'm in a building with so many talents, and I'm wondering if you feel the same way. So many legends, so many talents inside this building tonight. How are you feeling?
In my life, you know, I don't do nothing without him. And I want to take time out to say, you know, I've been in the business for 20 years. It's not an overnight success. And it was only because of the grace of God why I'm standing here tonight. It was only because of fans like you who took the time out to vote for me. So I want to dedicate this to my best to them. They're one of the best fans in the world. Big up on yourself, and this is not a small thing. You know, this is a very big thing. And the award goes to my boss, my represented everywhere we go. Vibes Cartel! And the award goes to my boss, my represented everywhere we go. Vibes Cartel!
Sure. Get it right here.
Okay. I'm half a cup of wine.
Right, yeah, hold that, yeah. All right, close up, headshot. Put the arms down a little for me. Yeah. Thank you.
Which outlet are you wearing?
Yeah, right there.
Three of us. Three of us. Listen to me. Where's the one? No, hear what? If we not word like this, it means the world to me. I'm there on an eye right now. I'm there in New York. I'm there in Brooklyn. I hear some bad man forward, bad man pull up bus. I'm a brother this from day one. Everybody out the seat and Ravers cheer. And DJ.
This is our weekend to celebrate, to bring our culture and our richness to the Brooklyn, and let's smash it up this weekend, okay? Much love and respect.
And we all know if you make a certain amount of money, you don't get back the tax money. And everybody costed them not like foreign, but when tax time, everybody want to file tax. Oh, let's file taxes. Let's file my taxes. Steve said I have 2 full-time jobs. And I tell you the struggle is still real. Don't let anyone come abroad and trick you. Life not easy over here. A man whenever work from him barn, I go ball, you know. I go ball and say this hard and that hard, you know. But remember, nothing is impossible. You have to work. Like a your name, walkie. Kerry said every year she work government for tax and she have 2 jobs. Yeah man, big up Canada people and we are all it same way. Cause remember Canada was the place, you know, where them everybody has said, yo, we need to go to Canada, man. We need to go to Canada. Alright, no? Ball people are balling. I say murder. Whoa! Whoa, Canada, whoa! Monique, you live in Canada. Come tell me how Canada easy. I want Monique. She always talk some things more time, you know. If you're in a relationship and both have 2 jobs, then yes, it's easy. Something I like that girl, I know. People, that girl had their money. Me hate the girl is mad. Yo, God no. The girl does love to have some things. Here are. Canada easy if you're short good. Canada easy. The girl I want wicked girl. She always has said them something, I know. The girl say if you're short good in a Canada. But remember, say money, can everybody are going to get a rich hood like you? And everybody are going to get a rich hood like you where your throat can rich. And everybody, you have some girl that some poor would them get. The mafia work hard. She don't understand. I hate her, man. Years she do me them something, I know. Years. So she brawling and go on. Me say me done it there, you know. Done it there. John was there. Good short, Monique. Done it there, you know.